Are you having fun, Ciera?
Yeah.
Can you look at me? Yeah.
It's clear now.
Awesome, thank you.
Six hooves, 6 legs instead of 4 legs, so he can go extra fast. That's right. That is exactly right. And then this is another Navi baby. See, just like the one you're holding, but this one's all wrapped up in a blanket so she stays warm. But she has really fancy clothing underneath, is what I'm saying. Like, that's fashion right there, right? She does have a diaper, that's right. And it's embroidered, so that's how you know she's a fancy baby.
What'd you find?
It's a little Navi princess.
That's so cute.
It's her tail. You can take her home. Look at you. Are you excited?
You do a little dance. I don't know that dance means run. Hey, can you slow down?
Slow down. You're gonna fall.
Look, we're way back here.
So I know we haven't like explained, but we are at Animal Kingdom for like the first time in
Gosh, 3 years?
yeah, it's forever.
For the first time.
And of course, since it's during like the pandemic, my favorite thing is not open.
And what is your favorite thing?
Festival of the Lion King. So sad. I mean, there's still a whole lot of stuff to do, but
Yeah, like hang around in the rain.
yeah, it's raining a whole lot, which I think makes it the perfect day to be at Animal Kingdom because it's not super hot and humid. It's just like raining and it makes it kind of cool. So it's the perfect day. Like there's even a breeze.
Ready for the safari?
Yeah.
McKinnon, are you having fun yet?
Everybody means welcome. Sit down, refresh,
Make sure your face coverings are over your nose, mouth, and chin at all times.
Just what she said. I have mirrors. On the right, a dark animal with zebra stripe looking legs. That is the okapi. They're big guys too. They're born at about 85 pounds and they can get up to about 5,500 pounds. Those guys can get up to about 16 feet long. They can weigh about 300 to 400 pounds and in a single meal, they can eat up to half their body weight if they choose. Notice how the baby's legs are almost exactly as long as the adult's legs? That's how they're born. There they are. There's one by the den you can see really well, one right across. The African wild dogs are also called the painted dogs because it looks like on their coats they've been finger painted. See the shorter ones over there? Those are the baby giraffes. A group of giraffes like this is called a tower. That is a tower. They're the tallest animals in the world. They can get up to about 20 feet tall. Even when they're born already at about 6 feet tall. They have very jagged spots on their coats, not really perfect shapes for spots. That's how we can tell they are all Maasai giraffes. To throw dirt, mud, sand, even hay on their heads and backs. That works as a natural form of sunscreen to protect their skin in the hot sun. A group of flamingos like this is called a flamboyance. We know that these are greater flamingos because they are the largest of flamingos. They're also the lightest colored pink flamingos. They get their pink color from beta carotene in their diet, found in things like brine shrimp and other little creatures they eat. Lions are usually resting like this about 16 to 20 hours a day, so I'm not surprised she's resting right now. They're most active at night. That's when they do their hunting. There is a second one just below her too on that other rock. His mane alone can weigh about 40 pounds. So he likes the cool weather. He likes the rain. Lions are going to be also very vocal at night while they're being active, and sometimes early morning they'll be vocal. So I would like to say Asante Sana, which means thank you. So Asante Sana for joining me today, everyone.
We just got some lunch and now McKinnon is dancing for us. Come back over here.
Hey!
I think we're so cute.
What's that over there? Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden.
I just got off Flight of Passage and it has been so long since I've been on it because we never come to Animal Kingdom. We're always at the other parks. But it was amazing. I forgot how amazing it is. What? Oh, 1, 2, 3, blast off. You're so funny. And while I was on the ride, Matthew went and got me a night blossom. It's pretty like melted now, but we did rider switch. So Matthew is on the ride now, even though technically the park is closed. The cast member told us that even if the park is closed, like by the time you get like through, they'll still let you get on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm a member that cast member.
Oh, you've had fun with cast members today, haven't you?
Where's the cast members at right now?
Well, they're probably trying to close things up because the park is closing. So they're busy right now. They're busy. Do you want to show our friends some of the stuff that we got today? Just a little bit ago, we went to Africa and picked up some Halloween treats. These Mickey Rice Krispie treats. I think we could probably open one up in just a second. So let's show the other thing that we got, okay? Yeah, and then McKinnon, y'all might remember the cast member over here in the Pandora shop was showing McKinnon all the different animals from Pandora. and McKinnon was carrying around one of them that the cast member showed her. And, oh, this is not the back of it. The cast member was like, oh, this is like one of the really small ones, and it's also really cheap. Like it's only like $10, and of course we have the annual pass holder discount, so it was only like $8. So she got this little Navi princess doll. Yeah, you can hold it, but we'll put it back in the bag because we don't want it to get dirty, okay? Because it's all raining and stuff. And then also, we were in another shop, I think it was in Africa, and there was a cast member that was like, hi princess, to McKinnon, and they just like reached in a drawer and gave her all these buttons, and we were like, oh, like it's not like her first visit or anything, and we're not celebrating. And he was just like, oh, you can just celebrate every day because she's a princess. And I was like, oh, that's so sweet. And he was like, and you can give the first visit button to like a friend or something. And he said, does she go to school? And I was like, yeah, she just started school. And he said, well, I love teachers, so here's some extra buttons. He grabbed like an extra one of each, and he said, give that to her teacher, like have her give it to her teacher, because I think teachers are amazing, which obviously they are, especially right now, they're doing awesome stuff. And so he gave her extra buttons, and she was so excited. She's like, I can't wait to give them to my teacher. It's raining really hard. I need to charge my phone, and Matthew should be getting on the ride pretty soon because I'm assuming the line is a lot shorter, and also he did rider switch, so he doesn't have to wait in a super long line. It really wasn't that bad. It said 90 minutes on there, but it was not 90 minutes. It was probably like maybe 40 minutes. I don't know. It moved really fast, so I don't know. But it was really cool. I got to see a lot of stuff I've never seen before. Like I showed y'all in the clips. I've never seen any of that stuff because I only went on it, I've only been on it once, and I did a fast pass, so I didn't see any of that stuff. What? Oh, you're doing clip, clip, like this? Clip, clip. All right. Can you say, see you in a minute, friends? So, the parks are technically closed right now. Well, this park, Animal Kingdom. Oh my gosh. So we're just gonna spend the night. There's no one around. This is crazy. Like, look all there. So pretty. So we're just gonna like stay here for the night. Beautiful. Pretend that we live in Pandora. Do you want to live in Pandora?
Yeah. I do. We're in Pandora right now.
We're in Pandora.
I think we're not in Pandora.
Yes, we are.